Welcome to the Flow House by CS. As you enter the living room, you have the curved three-seater right over here, and we have paired up with striped cushions onto this couch. We have an organic shape going on the center table, which is housed on ashwood legs. And we have the two single seaters as a focal point as you enter the space. We have it paired in sage green with amber finish cushions, and all of this are done in non-marking velvet. You have a lot of curtains going on in the living room as an L shape, and so we have given each of this in textures of neutrals. And I think the highlight for me when I was designing the space initially was the curves that we put into the TV panel. These are done in POP finish and finished in texture paint, and we have highlighted that corner with a planter. You have a frame TV right over here, and the TV cabinetry is done in wood veneer. The foyer is housed between the living and dining, and we have given an amazing console with a marble top over here. The console is finished in white gold paint finish, and you have concealed handles for all of these shutters. We customized an artwork right above this console, mainly because this was the focal point as you enter, and this is something you see both from the living and the dining in the layout. So we wanted to have a nice aerial view of Maldives or a beachfront which had really, a lush green beach color. So this is what we framed up for this space. It also hides the DB right behind over here. Our main focus area is the dining area of the project. We have an imported green marble as the tabletop for this dining set, and we paired it up with deep lush fabrics for the dining chair. It's a wing chair that we have gone for in this project. There was this debate between us and the client if you want to go for a neutral color fabric with the green marble or go for a color, and I think they finally took it up to take a risk with us and be like, okay, let's try it out, Chitu, and see if it'll work out. And so that's when we tried the deep blush color, and it's turned out super well. The thought process was that as you enter the space, curtain area, and so in the eye level you have a lot less elements to play with to bring the color to the space. Adondana, we actually added the color on the fabrics instead, and we've topped it up with an amazing dining light, which is a diffused one, and it is totally going in harmony with the space, and we don't have anything jarring in this area. We have also added a lift space for usage over here, and it's a copper colored lift going along with the same surrounding, and we have paneled the entire outside area with interlocking panels. The curtains in the dining area is automated into this space, and we have played with crosshatch fabric for the sheer. And we have a tiny subtle print, the same one in the living room, also going about in the dining area. This kind of enhances the space quite a bit, and I love fabrics. Now let me show you the kitchen. We're working with an open space layout into the kitchen. The first thing you see is this amazing island top that we have custom made for the client. Now we try to do something unique for every project, and so here what we tried is textured ombre PU paint. If the ivory, it goes all the way to forest green. You have a nice textured finish going as a gradient, and that is what the highlight of the space is. We finished it off with quartz countertop, and we have two chairs for the space for usage as well. The layout of the kitchen is done with appliance garage over here, and we have the sink in front of the window. We have the dishwasher. We have most of the appliances from Bosch, and here we have the induction hob right over here, and we have the cutlery drawer set going to the bottom. ഞങ്ങൾ കൂടുതലും ഡ്രോയേഴ്സ് ആണ് എപ്പോഴും കിച്ചൺസിന് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇറ്റ്സ് മോസ്റ്റ്ലി ബിക്കോസ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ജസ്റ്റ് ഈസിയർ ടു യൂസ്. ആൻഡ് സംതിങ് വി ട്രൈഡ് ഓവർ ഹിയർ ഇസ് വിത്തൗട്ട് കട്ടിംഗ് ദ ലോഫ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് ദി അപ്പർ യൂണിറ്റ്, വി ഡിഡ് എ സിംഗിൾ ഷട്ടർ ഓൾ ദ വേ ടു ദ ടോപ്പ്, ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ലുക്കിംഗ് absolutely stunning and bringing a height into the space. I absolutely love it. I think we're going to try this in more projects as we go forward. Let me show you the appliance area. So this was the focal grid that we started when we did the design, and we wanted to house a threshold like cabinetry as you see in the neutral, and this is where you have the focus, which is like a boat. This PU paint in a lush green finish, and we have it in push open structure all over to the top. And to add a bit of drama, we added this metal fabricated point which kind of houses it like a boat, like it's holding it afloat. And we have the Bosch appliances right over here, and this is sort of like a tall pantry for the space as well. We have the work area all the way to the right, and a maid's room as well next to the kitchen. Something that looks very ugly if you ask me is the side of a cabinetry, and so to hide the tall units in the kitchen, we actually added this decor element with a curved panel fluted finish, and we have the highlight going on right above over here. Now let me show you the vanity area. So we have this amazing travertine marble going on the back of the vanity, and we did the entire thing with Korean countertop because curved nature kittan Korean is one of the best materials to mold countertops. So we actually tried using Korean over here, and we have cabinetry going in PU paint on the bottom. This is the overall look of the vanity, and the first thing that we got from the builder when we came into the project was this travertine cladding. So the entire concept of the house is built on that, and the client wanted to go for a wabi-sabi concept, and they wanted to have a lot more designs in luxury side along with the wabi-sabi. So we kind of brought the two contradicting concepts together. Architecturally, staircase is something that I absolutely love, especially the MS ones with wood treads. If you look at it, it sort of creates a tunnel effect all the way to the third floor, which is the attic. And we wanted to have a greenery into the space. This project actually രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും അധികം greenery എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. It is only on the either sides that we can get a lot of landscape. So to bring that landscape into the interior, we did this artificial turf by creating a curb, and it's a lot of vegetation coming into play and kind of gives a very warm feeling to this space. Now let me show you the bedrooms, which is up on the floors. My favorite bedroom in the whole project is the master bedroom, and why I love it is because we tried this concept of luxury green marble onto the wall of the bed panel. So here you see we have 2/3 of the bed panel done in this amazing marble finish, which we tried to book match as well a little bit. So you have the texture paint onto this side as well. This is sort of like a stucco texture that we try to play with. We have a wing bed coming in an amazing fabric finish. This is a chevron pattern done in the opposite direction. And we did the entire setting with more of geometry and a place of neutral with a bit of mustard into it. The reason why we have the mustard into the project is because we wanted this entire thing to be revolved around a concept of green, mustard and this hand-worked art piece that you see is inserted into this console and having an artificial marble top. So this is one of my favorite pieces of this project. I love doing DIYs into the project because it kind of personalizes every space, and so this is something we try to bring into every project. And here we did it with this hand-painted artwork. We have a really beautiful bay window coming into this master bedroom. Let me show you. We wanted a bay window in the master bedroom, and so when the layout came to us, the structure was already complete and we had entered as the interior designers of the project. So we thought of a brilliant solution where kind of bring it into the space with the help of carpentry. And so we finished the sides of this unit to look like a wall. And the area I'm sitting as a bay window projecting out gives you an illusion of a bay window itself. And we finished the entire piece with the patterned Roman blind. And one of the things that me and the designing team had a discussion about is ഇത് ഇവിടെ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ curtains-ന് print ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ലല്ലോ, it will be a lot happening. So I was like, let's try a plain print of the same into the space. അങ്ങനെ രണ്ട് വിൻഡോസ് ഒരേ ബെഡ്റൂമിൽ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് ടൈപ്പ് ഫാബ്രിക്കാണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്, and it's come out beautifully into this space. We topped it up with browns into the space, and we have nice area for keeping books and decor on the either sides of the bay window, and it's rather cozy and nice, to spend some time in the master bedroom. The dressing area of the master bedroom is a combination of a marble laminate given with profile handles in the same color finish, and you have glass roofs as well for the dressing hanger units. I love mixing two different materials in the dressing room because otherwise it looks very monotonous and kind of like a solid block. So ichiri bhaga transparent aaki kayna, it always looks more refreshing and less claustrophobic. We're in the upper guest bedroom. We have an amazing pastel concept going on in this space. Again, a geometry print carrying over. We have an artwork done in pastel pink with this, geometry print that is going on the bed back. Also, we have a tufting pattern for the bed. The styling is done in a similar pattern as the rest of the bedrooms, keeping in mind. I love the side table of this bedroom. It is a fluted panel with a bit of brass detail that we have done for the space. Now the highlight of this bedroom is the open bathroom right over here behind, and we have given a smart glass. It works on a remote, and you see the onyx bathroom that we have set right as you enter the space. We have the entire fittings in brass fittings, and you enter into the vanity area of the bathroom. The onyx bathroom is done for all the walls, and it is a slab that we have used, and so it goes amazingly as veins, as you can see. This is white onyx and you have the niche also cladded into the same pattern. All the fittings are brass, including the rain shower. The vanity is done in Korean countertop, and we have the entire cabinetry in a sort of a geometry print. We have the Kohler mirror, which is done also in brass to top up this area. My favorite bathroom in this whole project is this one because I love onyx, especially white onyx. Now let me show you the rest of the space. We wanted to hide this door in this bedroom, and so we gave the entire thing curtains. As you can see, these are amazing prints and hatches that we have as a new product catalog from House of CS. We have these dual prints that you have small white buttas. The wardrobe is done in laminate, and we have again brought in the brass detail with the help of profile edges right over here, and it houses a study into the side. We try to hide the door into the balcony with the help of curtains, and these are the new product launches that we have for the 2025 in House of CS, and we've used the dual thread from the catalog. We have done these in white and grey as a combination, and I love crosshatch because they always bring a very plush texture into the bedrooms. The concept of the guest bedroom was to have a lot of storages up above the bed, and so we added a half ledge over here. This is a half wall unit, paneled, and we have this ledge for multiple purposes. You can keep planters, you can keep books, you can keep decor as well. And we have the entire bed in two fabric choices of pista green. We have a corduroy fabric on the top level, and we have a velvet pista green on the bottom level, and we have layered it up the bedding with a combination of peach and pista. You have the side tables also again without handles, and each of them is a vertical usage, and I'd love to show you that. A lot of people ask us where we get our bedding from, and we get it from our own product line, which is called House of CS. We have amazing bedding solutions for you, which are quilted bedspreads, and we have also we got lots of different types of fabrics for cushions, for carpets, and all of this come together in most of our projects. Do check out our previous projects in our channel, and do subscribe to us to see more of our upcoming projects. And we would love to see you at House of CS in Girinagar, where we have a lot of the styling hacks for you, a lot of our furnishings and fabrics, bed linen, carpets, customized for your projects. So do check us out, and hope to see you soon.